Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to write a program using classes. Suppose we are asked to write a class marks with three data members to store the marks, and with three member functions. One is input function that will input marks, and the second function is sum to calculate the and return the sum of marks, and third public function which will calculate the average and it will return the average marks. Okay guys, let's get started. First we will declare our class. So first we have to write class keyword, and then the name of our class is marks. We have to declare three data members, A, B and C. So these data members are private, so we have to specify them as private. And three member function, public member function. So public void input function to input marks. So cout enter marks. Marks of three subjects. So we are prompting the user to enter the marks of three subjects. Semicolon here and then C in marks. Marks of three subjects. So we have declared three data member A, B and C. So we have and input marks in these three private data members. Now our second function is to calculate sum. So it will calculate and return the sum. So return type of this function is integer. So int, the name of function is sum, and it will return the sum of three subjects, A plus B plus C. So this function will calculate and return the sum. So this will return the sum of these three subject marks. And our third public function is to calculate the average. So this function will return the average. The return type of this function will be float average, and it will calculate the average. So it will return average. Return return keyword, then so what is average? Sum of quantities means A plus B plus C divided by number of quantities, that is 3. So this function will calculate and return the average. We have to use these braces because the parentheses have highest precedence. So first of all, the sum of these three quantities will be calculated, then it will be divided by 3. If we do not put these parentheses, then only C will be divided by 3 and then other two will be summed with that result. That will not be our correct answer. So we have to use parentheses in order to calculate the correct result. Okay guys, now we have defined our three member functions. Now let's create object of our class. The name of our class is marks. To create object, simply write the name of the class and then the name of our object. Let's say obj. and now using this object I will call my three functions. Object dot first function is input marks. So first we have to input marks, then we will call our sum function to calculate and return the sum, and third function is to calculate the average. So this function will calculate the average. We also have to displace these values. We have to display sum and average. So let's display them here. Sum is, this is our sum. We have called our sum function here. Similarly, we have to display the average on the console window. So cout console object is used to display average is average, and here we will start a new line. So our first function will input marks, second function will calculate the sum of these marks and return the sum, and third function will calculate and return the average. Okay guys, let's execute this program. Enter marks of three subjects, 50, 60, 70. So sum is 180 and average is 60. What I did is I simply declared a class marks, and then I defined three private data members and three public member functions to input marks and then to calculate the sum and return the sum, and the third function is average, to calculate the average. So in the main function I simply created the object of my class. This is something known as instantiation. The process of creating object of a class is known as instantiation. So I have instantiated my class here, and then using the name of this object I called my input function, then I have called my sum function. So obj.sum will return the sum. So it will add these three quantities and return the total sum. So here it will return the total sum that is displayed on that will be displayed on the console window, because we are using cout object to display on the console. Similarly, third function will calculate the average and return the average. So here average will be printed on the console window. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.